Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming the essentials, a Ga4 property with active event collection and access to explore. Once done, open Funnel Exploration and choose Create New. This begins the actual build. Now add your first step by selecting the Start event. Explain why. It defines where users enter the journey. Then add the goal event to anchor conversion measurement. Make sure to name each step descriptively so you and others can read the funnel at a glance. Next, you design the middle of the funnel by adding sequential steps and selecting whether they must be strict or can be non-contiguous. This choice changes how drop-offs are counted. Once steps exist, apply segment filters to focus on traffic sources, countries, or user properties. This reveals why users diverge. Then add breakdowns like device or campaign to surface granular patterns. Keep toggling between visualization and table view so you can validate that events map correctly to expected user actions. To finish, set the conversion window and abandonment behavior, then review the funnel visualization to confirm trends. Once satisfied, export the report or share access with teammates and schedule it if you need recurring updates. If numbers look off, check this troubleshooting tip. Verify event names and parameters exactly match those in your data stream, confirm the time range, and ensure sampling is not affecting results. If problems persist, rerun with a broader time window.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.